Stark State's RN to BSN program is a critical stepping stone for nurses who want to advance their careers.
It was great to get my foot in the door with an associate's, but many hospitals are requiring a bachelor's.
The leadership roles that require a BSN are in high demand.
If I wanted to go into a managerial position or if I wanted to go into a teaching position, a BSN is so important to taking that next step.
Some of the benefits include advancement in rank, increase in job opportunities, increase in potential higher earnings.
The online format was definitely one of the reasons I chose the program. Being able to do things from my own home at the pace that I need is just invaluable.
Our tuition beats out all the other schools in our area.
Having the ability to pay out of pocket instead of having to accrue thousands of dollars of loans is amazing.
Akron Children's has hired a lot of Stark State alumni over the years, and they've been a wonderful asset to our team.